Hey guys, time for another general update. So a couple of things. Number one, in the engine compartment, I have wired in my auxiliary power system that I'm going to use so that I don't put a load on the OEM fuses and everything. So what I've got is my model comes with a winch, so it already has heavy duty wiring coming from the battery over here. So this is 12 volt ground and then key. So this is your accessory post. And then this is the wiring that goes down to the winch. What I'm doing is I'm coming off of the 12 volts going into a heavy duty, this is an 80 amp relay, heavy duty relay, and then I have a trigger wire back here. This goes to my keyed accessory. That comes on here, and then it's grounded as well. And then I go out from here into an 80 amp circuit breaker. So it's like a master circuit breaker for my accessory system. And then I'm going over to, I just have a six fuse system here, which I think for what I'm gonna do should be fine. I can always switch this out later if I need to or want to. And then I've also got a grounding block I put here as well. I also have a battery charger system. So I've got that wired in. Again, this is the post that goes to the always live portion, and then my ground as well. This can then, if I want to do it outside without having to remove the hood, I can stick it down through here. There's also a hole over here I could use as well. But I've got that in here. And I've also got a couple of aux beam lights. They're not wired in yet. These are, right now, they're in the OEM. There are actual holes here. So I've already put those in, and I do have an actual wiring harness for that. I'll be doing that later on. But I've got those just mounted for right now. I just really kind of want to see what they look like. I've got that done. I also, too, got you can see the reflection there. This is a SuperATV rear windscreen, and it's made of a Macrolon material, and trying to get rid of that little dust bunny there. And I've got this in. It's a really good quality material, very well made. My only gripe with it is, and this may just be my bed. By the way, if anyone has any ideas on adjusting the bed, let me know in the comments. But I've got a little bit of rubbing right here, and it's not isolated to just this point over here. It's actually when it comes up this point right here, there's a bend right here. That is it's catching on that. Now I don't plan on doing a lot of dumping with my General. I'll certainly do some. Also, this being the lower portion of it, I'm not really concerned with scratches necessarily, but overall I am pleased with this. I did, because I have the roof on, these brackets, they do come with foam in them. I don't know if you can see it. You can see the different colors there. There is foam in here. I did remove that from the top and up to about right here on the middle bracket, just to give me some additional clearance. But overall, again, very pleased with that. I do have a windshield on order, and should be here hopefully end of the week, and of course tons of other accessories I still have to put on, and other wiring projects. This is my messy workbench right now. I also have a second set of the aux beams. The aux beams for the second set I'm going to put on the back somewhere. I haven't decided how I'm going to mount those just yet. I may end up mounting them up high and pointing down. I'm just not entirely sure how I'm going to do that just yet. I also have I have an amber strobe system I'm going to put in, and I'm thinking of putting a block here and then at the same point over on this side. And then I only got a single one for the front. And what I'm actually thinking of doing is I have some spare aluminum L bracket. I think I'm actually just going to make a small bracket here, bolt it into these, or actually I may not be able to bolt into these holes here. but I could bolt it in the center hole here and just mount it that way. Because I'm not planning right now on putting a light bar here, which is what Polaris actually makes an accessory for that. I am going to be getting a light bar for up here. I have not purchased that yet. I'm still kind of deciding on how big I want to go. I'm probably going to try to get one to mount to the two outer hard points that are in there, and I might do that. But I also might too, there's a flat portion that's right here. I can mount it there. There's some different choices, but anyway, that's just a quick update, and there'll be more to come. Thanks for watching.